Hello students, welcome to Good Shepherd's online classes. Myself Gigi. In this video we are going to talk about HTML empty tags. Now I discuss how we can add BR tag and HR tag in our HTML document. Okay, so first we can move to what is empty tag. HTML tag with no content are called empty tag. Empty tags do not have an end tag. It have only starting tag. The examples of empty tags are horizontal rule tag, HR tag, line break tag, BR tag, and image tag, input tag, etc. Now, the line break tag, BR tag. BR tag is used to create line breaks. Actually, BR tag is used when it is required to end a line. That is, but it is not a new paragraph tag. It creates a single line break, and also it is an empty tag. Next type of empty tag is horizontal line rule. That is HR tag. This is used to draw a horizontal rules line across the web page. The attributes of HR tags are color attribute, size attribute, width attribute, align attribute, and no shade attribute. Then we can do this HTML document. First we can type the program. I already typed the frame, that is head, that is HTML head title. The title is empty tags, then closing tag head, body tag, then inside the body tag in bold, using bold tag, I type dust of snow. That is, this is your 10th poem written by Robert Frost, Dust of Snow. And then with the font, we already studied about font. So font tag with attribute size. The size is the value is 4. The color is green. We can also use hexadecimal value instead of the color name. For example, using hash value hash, we can add one color, maroon color. So the hexadecimal value is 80000. Then we erase the green color. Then what about the output? Using save option, I already take one web browser. So that is it's not a top tag. This one. We can minimize it to view the browser window. This is the output. Then the use of line break tag is, I just minimize this one and take the tag again. We can use the line tag. For example, I add again one font tag, font with the size is equal to, the default font size is 3, so I just add 3 here, and color is equal to green, Okay, then in this I add the first 4 lines of the poem, that is not to maintain the line, I just add it. And then I close it, font tag HTML. Okay, then I save it. We can look at the output. Take the empty tags, then we just click the refresh button. Then after this font tag, single line the poem will return. Okay, so we can use the line break here. For this purpose, we take the char tag, we take the document and add the way a crow. After that we add br, again shook down on me, again we add only br only. There is no need of closing tag here. Here also we add br, so we add br, and then we also add the font size maroon color, and we can also add one background color, that is bg color. Bg color is equal to gray. Okay, then we'll save this document, save, and take the use the refresh button. This is our output. Okay, the next tag is about HR tag, horizontal line rule. When we just use the HR tag, the output may be, I save this HR tag and take the HR just a line. This line will take the entire browser windows width. Okay, and then I again type with the attribute. We know the attributes of HR tags are size, color, width, align, and no shade attribute. So first we can apply HR, the line about the line size, HR size equal to, we can write size maybe 12. Okay, save as, and take the HR tags. This is our new output. First is normal HR tag, second one is HR tag with the size attribute 12. This is the 12 pixel size. Okay, this width. Next attribute is, now this is BR tag. Next attribute is color attribute. So color is equal to, we can use either color name or hexa color code. So now I just use color color is equal to yellow here. Then again we press save button and take the HR tag again. HR tag browser window, click the refresh button. This is our horizontal line rule with the color yellow. Okay, then we are moving to the next attribute, that is width attribute. Width attribute we can also specify either in percentage of the browser windows width or in pixels. I just apply width is equal to double quotes 10% of browser window. Okay. Then I click the save button, again take the HR tags, refresh button, the small line with the thickness, size attribute, color using size attribute, color attribute, and also the width attribute. Okay. Next one is fourth attribute is there is no need of semicolon in between this attribute. Align attribute, LIGN, align. We can apply the align attribute. This align attribute is used to position the line on the web page towards left, right, or center as the line spreads from the left to right edge of the web page. The align attribute will only be useful when the horizontal width of the line is less than the width of the page. Okay. Then the last attribute is no shade attribute. There is align, we can apply align tag. For example, left, right, or center. The last attribute is no shade attribute. Actually, as the thickness of the line increases, it appears as 3D. I will show you that 3D hollow line. The no shade attribute of the HR tag is to eliminate the 3D effects. It makes it appear as a flat 2D solid line in dark gray color. Okay, that I will show you. HR tag, there is no use of color attribute here. For example, HR size 12. Then we just apply no shade, or we can use width also. Width is equal to, in double quotes, percentage 10%. Okay, and then we just type no shade. Just click the save button and we can see the output. This in green color. So these are the HR tag. HR tag is used to supply horizontal line rule in browser window, and also we also supply BR tag. BR tag means line break tag. Okay, thank you all.